Orange card, guys. And this is where the money in comes into
play.
White with an orange heart.
White with an orange heart. One, there's two. Come on, guys, come on. Help, help. Watch each other. You had two out there.
Go, Philip. Keep working him, Philip.
Halfway up the arena now.
Keep working him, Philip. Keep working him, Philip. Keep working him, mate. Keep working him. Good work.
Oh, yes.
He's done his bit. That was good.
Team 9, they're chasing White with an orange heart. First run off the top 10 here. We've got another one cut out here. We need to help.
He did his bit anyway. He got his one out. He had a big horse work well then, Frank.
Heidi Lee, Philip and Ashley. Doing their best. They're struggling, but they're doing their best to do this.
Watch him, Philip. Good boy. Philip.
Back over here.
Oh, what the
They're making it very, very hard work for them, these cattle. That's your 30-second timer, guys.
Come on, go for two, go for two.
Yeah,
big horses going nice and fine. Go steady, go steady. They're fluid on them. Can't go so high.
Hey, time's ticking away here
Go for one, guys. Go for one.
Need to sort of get a result here. He's made it so far. He's made it into the top 10.
Put the one in, Phil.
Philip. Other side, mate. Other side. Go for your one.
I'm sorry, guys.